Class, our next chapter is cubes and cube roots. So first of all, we will know the meaning of cube. As we have studied about square, that a number which is multiplied 2 times by itself is called square. In the same way, a number multiplied by 3 times by itself is called cube. For example, a, we write cube like this, a to the power 3. It means a is multiplied by itself 3 times. This is the meaning of cube. And if a number is written with the power 3, it is called as cube of that number. So for example, if I write the cube of 2, it will be, we will multiply 2 3 times, which will be 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So our answer is 8. So cube of 8 is, cube of 2 is 8. Now coming to cube root. Cube root is denoted as a radical sign with 3 inside this, like this. This is called, this is a sign of cube root. Suppose we have to find cube root of 27, so it will be 3. Now in cube root, we have only one method, that is called, to find cube root, we have one method, which is, we have the method which is called PFM method, that is prime factorization method, which we were doing in square to find the square root of number. Similar way, we are having to find cube root of any number, we have to find with this number, with this method, which is called prime factorization method. There is only one method in to find cube root. There is no other method in this cube root. We do find cube root only with PFM method, not with any other method. So now there are many questions given in your book. Suppose we have to find cube of a number 7, so it will be 7 into 7 into 7, which is equal to 7 7s are 49, and 49 into 7 we have to just multiply and check. 9 7s are 63, it will be 3 and carry over 6. 9 4s are 28, 28 and 6 is 34, so it is 343, 343 is the cube of 7. In similar way, suppose we have to find cube of decimal numbers. You have to find the cube root of this decimal number, so you have to multiply this number 3 times, so it will be 21 into 21, which is 441. Again 441 will be multiplied with 21. This will be 144, and this will be 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and 2 4s are 8. So this is 1 6 12 and 9. So this will be equal to 9 9261, 9261. Now you can see there is a decimal, so we will count the decimal places 1, 2 and 3. So we will put a decimal after 3 digit from right hand side, 1, 2 and 3. So this is our final answer. Now you have to find cube of 10 by 13, that is a rational number. This is cube, so we will always write power as 3. Never do the mistake of writing power as 2. We will always, in cube we have to write power as 3 only. So 10 into 10 into 10 upon 13 into 13 into 13. Now 10 into 10 into 10 will be 10 tens are 100, and 100 into 10, that is 1000. And we know that the square of 13 is 169. Now we will multiply 169 with 13 once again. 9 3s are 27. 9 3 6 are 18 and 2 20. 3 1s are 3 and 1 2 5. This will be 9 6 1. So 7 9 11 2. 2197. 2197. This is our answer for this rational number 10 by 13. We have to find the cube of this number 10 by 13. So our answer is 1000 upon of 2197. Now student, there are some more questions in form of word problem. The question says you have to find the least number that should be multiplied. Find the least number that should be multiplied. Find the least number that should be find the least number by which 1323 must be multiplied to get a perfect cube. Now student, I will repeat the question. Question says we have to find the least number, that is the smallest number by which this number should be multiplied so that this number can become a perfect cube. Now what we will do, we have only one method, that is prime factorization method in cube root. We don't have the division method in cube root. We have only one method, that is PFM method, that is prime factorization method. So we will find the LCM of this number. Now we'll take it by 3. So it will be 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12 and 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 7s are 21. This will be 349 times, and 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. We will take with prime numbers, and I have already told you what a prime number. Now we have to make pair. We have to make pair now. In this we have to make pair of 3 similar number. In a square and square root we were making pair of 2. In this cube root we have to make pair of 3 numbers. So you can see we got 3 times, so we will make a pair. And here you can see 7 do not have a pair, so 7 is only the number that should be multiplied with this number to make this number as a perfect square. Now if you multiply this number with 7, you will get this as a perfect cube. Now next question says, that you have to find the smallest or the least number. Find the least number by which eight seven six eight be divided to make it a perfect, so that the quotient is a perfect cube. Now you have to find the least number by which this number should be divided. This time you have to divide so that the quotient is a perfect cube. Now you have to think of such a number by prime factorization so that this number can become a perfect cube, and you have to think of a number which this can be divided. Now again we will do it with prime factorization method only. Now find the prime factor of this number 8768. So take it with 2. It will be 4384. Again if you will take it with 2, it will be 2194. Again it will be 1096. Again it will be 548. Again it will be 274, and if you divide this 274, it will be 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, and 2 sevens are 14. Now this 137 is a prime number, so it will go one time. Now you can see pair of 2. You have to make pair in this way, in the form of 3. You have to make pair of 3, and you can see you got the pair of 2. Pair of 2 3 times here, pair of 2 3 times here, and here you can see that you did not get pair of 2 more pair of 37. So 37 is the smallest number that should divide this number. So if you divide this number 8768 by 137, you will get as 64, and this 64 is a perfect cube of, can you just tell? It will be a perfect cube of what number? it will be a perfect cube of, I guess, 4, because if you multiply 4 3 times, 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. So this is a perfect cube of 4. So this is the method by which we do the question of multiplying a number and dividing a number. The method is similar. In multiplication, we have to multiply the number, given number in the question, with the number which is not paired, and in division we have to divide with the number if the number is not paired. We have to divide the number which is given in the question with the number which is not paired. You have to divide always with the number which is not paired. In similar way, you have to multiply with the number which is not paired, who do not have pair of 3. So it's very simple and easy to understand. So with this, we have come to the end of the question.